Okay, right. Alright, good day everyone. Today this video is going to be an unboxing video of the Infinity by Harman Alpha Series 650C. This is a component set. Okay, that's a better image for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to do an unboxing video. Alright, let me just get a knife. So I've got my knife, alright, and let's, alright, that was easy. Oh no, got a little bit here, alright, okay, so, first impression, you get this greeting paper. It's just a guide of installation, how to install the speakers and stuff, okay. Just throw that away. We won't be needing that. Okay. Just slide off. Alright. Okay. So this is the warranty card and stuff like that. Okay. And here you have the unit itself. Okay. It comes with some accessory screws. Okay. This is important. Do not throw this. It might come a little handy when you guys are installing your speakers. Okay, so right off the bat, okay, this is the speakers. I'm just gonna put this on the side. Okay, so this is the speakers. Okay, that's the speaker. Okay, this is the driver, the magnet, and as you can see, all right, Alpha 650C, 45 watts of RMS. Okay, don't even bother with the peak numbers because we are not going to emphasize on the peak. We are going to emphasize on the RMS power of the speakers. Okay, so this is how the driver looks like, and I don't know if you can see this as a nice edging of the Infinity brand over here on the cone itself. Okay, so this is the woofer part of the speaker set. As you can see, very nice, very sleek build quality. Okay, magnet is in decent size. Okay, any aftermarket speaker that you upgrade is always a better solution. This is your, well, your original car speaker. It looks very pathetic. Okay, so yeah, I mean, if you are comparing your manufacturer speaker versus aftermarket speaker, definitely the aftermarket speaker is going to perform better and it's going to sound way better. Okay, so that's the driver. Okay, it also comes with this nice grill if you want to use that, but nowadays cars, the speakers are hidden behind the door trim, so technically you don't really need this. I don't really use this in my installations also. Okay, unless like you're going for a Proton Vira or Proton Saga that has the speakers mounted on the door trim, then yes, you will need this to protect the speaker cone from, you know, external damages and stuff like that. All right, so then here we have the crossover. This is the crossover. All right, and here we have the tweeters. Okay, so this tweeter is responsible for giving high range sound, which is the sharp peak sound. Okay, so and it's a variable position tweeter, so meaning that you can adjust the staging of the sound coming out of the speakers. Okay, so how do you install this? Pretty simple. Okay, so all right, as you can see, WF is where the woofer connection goes out. Okay, so in is your, yes, as you can see now, in is your positive negative terminal that comes out from your amplifier, or your door, your actual door speaker wire that comes out from the manufacturing side. So that goes in here, and two wires comes out from here to the woofer, okay, and then the TW here, as you can see, the tweeter, two wire comes out from here, from the tweeter. So inside we have an active capacitor. So the capacitor actually prevents your tweeter from blowing off, okay. So the frequency range and the sine wave is different compared to your woofer and your tweeter, okay. It's two different things, all right. This one requires a low frequency sound, but for tweeter it goes well with high frequency sound, okay. So don't mix that up. You know, if you have a crossover, use the crossover, don't hot wire it, okay. That's very bad practice. So there you have, guys, the unboxing of Alpha 650C by Infinity Harman. So see you guys in the next video.